Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, September 8th. We had a correlation in Aussie yen to Kiwi yen once again. On a size adjusted basis, pulled out about 7.3 pips. We'll go over that in a second. First, just want to talk about the economic news over the last couple of days. Bank of Canada left their interest rates unchanged at 0.5%. They said inflation risks tilted to the downside. So here's another country who basically is zero bound rates. Can't create inflation, can't create a growing economy. Goldman Sachs cut September rate hike odds to 40%. Actually, I think that's a little high. I think the latest news coming out, there's no way the Fed can raise rates this month. What else? Last night, an analyst came out, was talking about the consumer auto loan and how that bubble is starting to burst. Just so you know, the consumer auto loan market now stands at over $1 trillion with an average monthly payment of $499. The delinquency rates are up 21% from this time last year. So that bubble sounds like it's starting to burst. This morning, the ECB kept rates unchanged. They reaffirmed that they'll keep the QE until March of 2017 or beyond. Their inflation expectations for 2016, basically 2016 inflation, they've left those unchanged at 0.2%. 2017, they lowered to 1.2%, and 2018, 1.6%. So here's an entire zone, the Eurozone. The ECB is saying even with all their QE and their zero bound rates, by 2018, there still won't be inflation over 2%. In fact, they're projecting 1.6%. This year, basically no inflation. So it's absolutely incredible. We've been saying for years it doesn't work. It was an economic experiment, and that experiment, they came up with a hypothesis, and that hypothesis is proving to not be accurate. And that was really it for the economic news. Initial jobless claims came out. They were pretty much in line, but that's not a big deal. It's a weekly number. So let's go over to trades. So we had Aussie yen, which we were long from 78.460. We had about 50. We increased our size on these things just because we're not really getting scalps and swings. So we might as well use a little bit more of our equity. So on Aussie yen, we went to 50% of our normal size. We were long from 78.460. We got out of that at 77.967 for a loss of 49.3 pips, or size adjusted 24.7. And then in the Kiwi yen, we had 70% of our normal size. We were short from 75.707, covered at 75.249 for 45.8 pips. Size adjusted 32, so net result, we were up 7.3 pips. We did get another signal again last night. We had covered this yesterday. We got another signal last night for these two pairs as well, this time being long Kiwi yen and being short Aussie yen. So we'll see how that plays out. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out that are coming your way, we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action tonight and tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.